We'll guide you through how to import GLTF to Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu using either your keyboard or mouse. Type Unity Hub into the search bar and launch the application from the search results. Inside Unity Hub, open an existing project if you already have one prepared, or create a new 3D project for importing the model. Wait for the Unity editor to fully load the project before continuing to the next step. After the project finishes loading, reopen the Windows Start menu on your computer. Type the name of your preferred web browser into the search bar and open the browser from the results. Search online for the official GLTF utility package for Unity so you can add proper GLTF support into the editor. Visit the GLTF GitHub page to review the package details and confirm you are using the correct package. Copy the official package URL text directly from the GitHub page. Return to the Unity editor after copying the package URL. Click the window menu located at the top of the Unity interface to access additional editor tools. Select Package Management from the drop-down options, then click Package Manager to open the package installation window. Inside the Package Manager window, press the plus icon located in the top left corner. Choose Install Package from Git URL from the available menu options. Paste the official GLT Fast package URL into the text field provided inside the installation window. Click the Install button to add the package into your Unity project. Wait for Unity to automatically download and import all required package files before continuing. Open File Explorer and locate the GLTF model files stored on your computer. Select the GLTF model file together with its related assets if additional files are included. Drag and drop the selected files directly into the Unity Assets panel. Wait for Unity to finish importing the GLTF files into the project. Find the imported GLTF model inside the Assets folder in Unity. Drag the model from the project window into the Scene View or Hierarchy panel. Use the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools to adjust the model inside the scene. Finally, save your Unity project after confirming the model imports correctly and appears properly inside the Scene View window.